yeah, exactly. Happy National Day.
Yeah, happy National Day.
You're taking some pictures as well, are you?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
It's always good for one of the images in the photo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, that's good. It does
From
that.
video.
Is that like an iPhone 5 or something? 6, yeah.
I never really cared about the type of phone I had, but because of my job, I was required to process more documents or something like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah. I'm tempted to sit down, but then there might be like the finale.
What's your favorite color?
Green or red, or orange maybe, I don't know.
Green is my all-time favorite.
Oh, cool. They're very beautiful, aren't they?
It's like weird.
Yeah. Where are you going for New Year's?
It's just here in Dubai.
Yeah.
Because my brother's coming in by Feb, perhaps. I don't know.
Okay.
So I need to prepare. I really need to find it.
Yeah.
I like the one that looks like a palm tree, right?
Oh, yeah. Wow. Feels so close because the sound is really loud. Yeah. Wow. I think this is the finale now. It's worth still recording to get it. well. I like these little ones as well.
Intensity, right?
What? Yeah.